Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rewrite the Stars on piano. We'll break down the entire song, starting with its fundamental elements. You'll learn the key signature and essential chord progressions that form the song's backbone. Then, we'll explore the distinct roles of your left and right hands, providing clear guidance for each. Finally, I'll share some effective practice strategies to help you confidently perform the full piece. For your left hand, the focus is on providing a solid harmonic foundation and a steady rhythm. You'll primarily be playing the root notes of the chords, often in simple inversions to keep the sound full. The song frequently uses chords like C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Concentrate on maintaining a consistent tempo and ensuring smooth, fluid transitions between these chord changes. This creates the essential rhythmic drive for the entire piece. Your right hand will be responsible for delivering the captivating main melody of Rewrite the Stars. Focus on bringing out the lyrical quality of the tune, paying close attention to dynamics and phrasing to make it truly expressive. You might find it helpful to use finger substitutions to ensure seamless connections between melodic phrases. Additionally, consider adding simple harmonies to certain sections, which can significantly enrich the overall texture of the melody. Once both hands feel comfortable independently, it's time to bring them together. Begin by practicing at a very slow tempo, ensuring precise coordination between your left and right hands. A metronome will be your best friend here, helping you develop a consistent and steady rhythm throughout the piece. Don't try to play the entire song at once. Instead, break it down into smaller, manageable sections. This approach makes learning much more effective and less overwhelming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.